Balancing academics and athletics, this is what a day in her life looks like. Nandita Rajesh is currently pursuing a Bachelor of Arts in Psychology and Journalism at Presidency College. With a strong interest in understanding human behavior and effective communication, her academic journey is driven by both curiosity and creativity. Her day begins early, setting the tone with preparation and focus. As a psychology student, she is constantly exploring how people think and behave, while journalism allows her to express those insights with clarity and purpose. At college, her day is filled with engaging lectures, discussions, and continuous learning. Each class adds a new perspective, helping her grow intellectually and broaden her understanding of the world. Beyond academics, Nandita is also a dedicated Taekwondo player. Training is an essential part of her routine, demanding discipline, consistency, and mental strength. She has proudly represented Karnataka at the national level, marking a significant milestone in her journey. Balancing academics and sports is not easy, but it has shaped her into a resilient and determined individual. Through every challenge, she continues to push her limits and strive for excellence. For Nandita, every day is an opportunity to learn, grow, and move one step closer to her goals. This is her journey at Presidency College.